Hey guys, have you seen the new update from Bambu Lab? It's crazy, they added something called Rage mode. It's a new speed setting that is even faster than Ludicrous mode. And it is really fast, let me show you. I'm gonna start a print and then switch it to Rage mode. You need to be aware it's also really loud. This is actually insane, it's printing so fast. And that's it, it's done. And it actually came out pretty good too. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What you just watched was my April Fool's joke. Last year I made one that was actually a little bit too convincing and some people actually believed it and got upset. So this time I decided to make something more obvious and dumb. If you want to prank your friends, you can share the short version that I will leave in the description. In this video I will show you how I made it so you can make it for yourself. So the first thing I needed to figure out was how to lower the print bed smoothly by about 200 millimeters. This was one of the hardest things of the project. At first I tried using the normal lower bed button in the software, but the problem was it makes a pause slightly during each step. The small pause made it unusable for what I wanted. I did use that method for this time-lapse clip by editing out the pauses, but for the moving camera shot, I needed a single smooth motion. So I went to the Bambu Lab forums that I didn't know about, and they're great, they're really active. I got a really helpful response from this guy with some G-code I could use to lower the bed smoothly. After making some adjustments to make it work, it was working perfectly. Once I was working, I printed the actual base. I designed this base with the Maker World tools available for free, trying to get a shape that would be really cool to watch in a time-lapse. After that, I filmed multiple shots, first the printer empty and then the printer with the base, trying to get one motion in which both of the shots had the same angle. After that, I took everything to Blender. I've been using Blender for about 2 months with little knowledge. But I was able to do all this following a lot of YouTube videos. I tracked the camera movement to the printer bed, I added the 3D model of the vase, and then I matched the lighting to the real environment. And I was able to, with some modifiers, make it so the base appears slowly. And that's it! I did all this in about 2 weeks with a lot of YouTube tutorials. So thank you so much to all the people that make these amazing YouTube tutorials and videos. Once you understand the process, it's actually pretty easy and it would probably take a lot of less time to do it again. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to check out my channel page and I'll see you in the next video.